Hello, I am Dr. Sridevi. Let's talk about ankylosing spondylitis. What is ankylosing spondylitis? Ankylosing spondylitis is a type of arthritis that affects the spine. This is a chronic inflammatory arthritis that commonly affects the sacroiliac joints in young men. The onset is usually rapid, with recurring episodes of low back pain and stiffness, which radiates sometimes to buttocks or thighs. Characteristically, the symptoms are worse than cervical and is experienced in the early morning and following inactivity. The vertebrae may grow or fuse together, resulting in a rigid spine. These changes may be mild or severe and may lead to a stooped posture. Early diagnosis and treatment helps in controlling pain and stiffness and may prevent significant deformity. Although it can occur at any age, ankylosing spondylitis most often strikes men in their teens and 20s. Ankylosing spondylosis is similar to cervical disorders in many aspects, and Ayurveda has very effective treatments for both. While home remedies can be helpful, you will need personalized treatment for long term relief. In the early stage, treatment focuses on balancing the aggravated doshas, strengthening the spine and nervous system, as well as improving immunity. With timely treatment, good results are possible. Additionally, Panchakarma, along with personalized home remedies, can help in strengthening the nervous system and the spinal column. In the chronic stage, treatment for the advanced stage includes multiple remedial aspects that works simultaneously in strengthening the joints of the spinal column as well as the back and hip muscles, balancing aggravated vata doshas, as well as rejuvenating the asti and majja dhatu with the help of special panchakarma therapies. Treatment in this stage takes longer compared to early stage. Effective treatment for this condition is possible through Ayurveda. It can be managed. For more such valuable medical information, you can subscribe my channel, and if you liked this video, please like and share.